Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the pound yen monthly, I do think this is the end of a wave 3, and if that is true, then this is very likely a very corrective wave 4, which I think will go down to about the 50% Fibonacci retracement before it goes up and makes that wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this whole move down is nothing more than a wave A. Now, maybe it's just going to keep on trending down. Maybe we're actually already in the wave B. I guess we'll have to find out, and I'll show you how on the sort of time frames. Eventually, I do think it is going to go up for a wave B and eventually down for a wave C. But we have to keep in mind this is the weekly monthly time frame that this is visible on, which means that it potentially could last 6, 8 months, or maybe even more. So going down to the daily time frame. Now, like I was just explaining, the question is whether that wave A is already over, and this is actually an A here, and this is actually a B, and this is potentially going to go up and make a wave C, and this is already a wave B. Definitely a possibility. The other possibility is that this is actually just a downtrend and this is going to keep on trending down. I personally am looking for shorts on sort of time frames only unless it gives me a break of structure to the upside. If it doesn't give me a break of structure, it just keeps on trending down. I'm looking for shorts anyway, so not a problem. If it does break structure, then I'll start looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see, so that's not going to be a problem for me either. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is the structure level I'm watching, this area right here. If price goes up and breaks that, then I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. If price doesn't break that, but instead makes 1, 2, 3 waves up, lower highs, and just keeps on trending down, then I will definitely just enjoy the trend and just go short every single time I get a three-way pullback with another chance to go short. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it kind of looks like it's already trying to make a short. I did end up going short this order right at the 50%. I mean, if it does reverse, I'll just get out with break even. But it really, I mean, I went short yesterday here too. I went 1, 2, 3 waves up. I went short right there yesterday. I got out down here, and then I went short again because now it looks like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Kind of looks like another ABC correction, respecting the fib level. So definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. If it does go up and break structure, then fine, I'll start looking for longs in an uptrend. It doesn't really bother me which direction I'm looking for trades in. As long as you're following structure, paying attention to price, paying attention to structure, I think you should be trading in the right direction at least most of the time. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.